नमस्ते, हर हर महादेव। स्वागत है आप सभी का ओम महामाया में। दिस इज आकांक्षा, योर टैरो रीडर फ्रेंड हेयर ऑन यूट्यूब। एंड आज की रीडिंग इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट टॉरस मंथ ऑफ जून 2024। नाउ टॉरस की लाइफ में जून के अंदर वो क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उनके करियर के अंदर, लव लाइफ के अंदर, अबाउट देयर हेल्थ, फाइनेंसेस। वी विल बी कवरिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट। क्या मैसेजेस आएंगे डिवाइन की तरफ से, स्पिरिट गाइड्स की तरफ से फॉर टॉरस फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून 2024? लेट्स चेक दैट. Without any further ado, let's just get started with the reading. Okay, so my beautiful souls of Taurus, let's check कि जून मंथ के लिए आप लोगों के लिए क्या प्रिडिक्शन आ रही है. What are the messages we are getting for the month of June for all the Taurus babies? Let's check what are the messages that divine wants to give you. What is the guidance that is coming through for Taurus for the month of June? What can Taurus expect for the month of June? What can Taurus expect for the month of June? Wow, Taurus, you guys seem to be really having your life in order. See? Okay, got it. King of Wands and Four of Swords. So as I was saying that Taurus babies, you have your life in order. You are pretty clear कि जून के मंथ के अंदर आपका क्या क्या काम होना है. क्या आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस जून को लेकर काफ़ी क्लियर हैं. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू विश टू अचीव फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून. बहुत पैशनेट हो आप, आपके सारे प्लान्स इन ऑर्डर हैं. You are quite energy driven this month. You are pretty adventurous. You have a lot of things planned. Maybe there could have been some sort of travel plans as well. क्योंकि फोर ऑफ सोर्ड्स की एनर्जी आ रही है. यू नो कि बहुत टाइम से बहुत मेहनत करे जा रहे हो एंड यू आर रियली एग्जॉस्टेड. You do need a physical and mental break from all the hard work, from all the hustling that you have been doing for quite a few months now. जब से मतलब 2024 जब से स्टार्ट हुआ है, you have been hustling, you have been giving 2024 your best. You are trying to achieve a lot this year and I see that passion in you. You are doing pretty great actually. I would like to appreciate all the Taurus babies for your productivity this year. And June is somehow going to be quite similar as well. You are still high on energy. You are going to achieve a lot, but it is important to take care of your health as well, okay? अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर एग्जॉस्ट नहीं करना है. अगर लग रहा है कि स्लीप साइकिल में कुछ इशू स्टार्ट हो गया है तो टेक सम रेस्ट, ओके? टेक सम टाइम आउट फ्रॉम योर वीक, either around weekends or something. Try to relax a bit. Try to engage in any sort of spa treatments or any sort of relaxing massage for yourself and appreciate yourself, okay? Give yourself a treat because you Taurus babies really do deserve it, okay? Let's see what more messages we are getting for Taurus babies. Okay. What more messages we are getting for Taurus? What does Taurus needs to know about? Okay, we have two more cards. Okay, so we have Three of Cups and Nine of Wands. See, you need relaxation time. You need some time out with your friends, with your siblings or cousins maybe. You do need to retreat yourself. आपको बाहर जा, go out, have some drinks, chill up, okay? There's so much movement involved. See, there's so much movement involved that you have somewhere been hustling so much that it has been quite long that you have not really lived your life, you know. Somewhere I see you are losing perspective of life. आप हासिल कर रहे हो, आपको अचीवमेंट्स भी मिल रही हैं, आप बहुत कुछ अचीव भी कर रहे हो, आप खुद को उसके लिए अप्रिशिएट भी कर रहे हो, बट आर यू रियली looking that time is actually passing you by? टॉरस, आपने अभी तक 6 मंथ्स के मतलब ऑलमोस्ट वी आर क्लोज टू 6 मंथ्स ऑफ दिस ईयर और बहुत कुछ आप अचीव कर चुके हो. एंड यू नो दैट मूवी ये जवानी है दीवानी, जिसमें बनी एक बार बस ऐसे खड़े होके समुद्र की तरफ देख रहा होता है एंड द गर्ल आस्क हिम कि क्या देख रहे हो बनी, एंड ही इज़ लाइक वक्त को गुजरते। आई फील टॉरस बेबीज, आपको वक्त को गुजरते हुए देखना ज़रूरी है राइट नाउ, बिकॉज दैट विल एक्ट एज सम सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर यू एज वेल। आप बहुत कीन ऑब्जर्वर हो, चीज़ों को बहुत क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करते हुए चल रहे हो। मुझे दिख रहा है अभी क्या, ये साल क्या, आपने तो आने वाले 5 साल का पूरा प्लान अपना ड्रॉ करके आप बैठे हुए हो कि आपको क्या क्या अचीव करना है, क्या क्या अपने लिए बनाना है सीरियसली। एंड इवन दो अगर आपने पिछले कुछ टाइम में कोई ट्रिप लिया भी हो या फिर कोई रिलैक्सेशन रिट्रीट आपकी रही भी हो लाइक रिसेंटली ऑल्सो, तब भी आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि आने वाले जून के अंदर भी build another plan. Okay, make another plan. It could be for the weekend only, it could be for a day or two only, that will also be fine. But just go out, have some drinks, relax yourself, because this is what you need to keep this energy going, which is really helping you out of course in your career. So June month looks pretty great for you honestly, Taurus. You'll be having the same source of energy, you will be having the same inspiration, you will be having the same creativity, you will be having the same passion. It is just that there will be some social gatherings that you must engage in, that you must attend to keep this energy going. You must understand कि बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटली खुद को एग्जॉस्ट करूँगी तो मेरी आगे की प्रोडक्टिविटी अफेक्ट हो सकती है, तो यू मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ एंड टेक सम रेस्ट every now and then in June as well, because June might overload you with a lot of work as well, तो उसमें खुद का ख्याल रखना is also very very important. Let's see what more messages are we getting for Taurus babies. टेम्परेंस जी, देखिए जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे थे ना बनी को लेकर ही कि क्या देख रहे हो बनी, वक्त को गुजरते, उसी तरीके से आपको वक्त को थोड़ा सा गुजरते हुए देखना चाहिए. बाय आई मीन व्हाट आई मीन बाय दैट इज़ दैट you need to have some patience within you. Hustling is definitely good. Hustle culture does give you a lot of achievements in life, and that is what has been making people that is something that has been working as people's motivation as well. But you need some sort of balance. Hustle karna, having achievements through it, very good, but you must also remember to take some rest every now and then. Having a balance between your practical and your spiritual or emotional side is really really important. Now आप बहुत practical होके चल रहे हो, which is why you are neglecting your emotions completely these days. There are maybe some deeply rooted issues that you need to address. Emotions को ignore करे चले जा रहे हो, emotional side पे बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं है, but you know what will happen? These emotions are going to bother you later. सो इमोशंस का भी कुछ खास ध्यान रखना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. ऑल्सो हैविंग अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर प्रैक्टिकल एंड योर इमोशनल साइड इज़ ऑल्सो रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज दिस कैन मेक यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इनसेंसिटिव टूवर्ड्स पीपल दैट यू आर गोइंग टू मीट इन द मंथ ऑफ जून एज वेल. तो इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू लूज फ्रेंड्स राइट. आई फील यू माइट हैव लॉस्ट फ्रेंड्स in past, but you don't want to lose them anymore, right? You have very few people in your group now, but you're pretty serious about them that you do not wish to lose them. So for that also, find a balance between your emotional and practical side. It's okay. देखो हर किसी की सोच एक जैसी नहीं होती है राइट. हर किसी का थॉट प्रोसेस एक जैसा नहीं होता है. some people are sensitive, some people are really practical, some people are really straightforward, and some people are really backbitchers. So what you need to do is find a balance. If you do not agree with someone, disagree politely, okay? Do not appear to be rude in front of them, because as I said, you're really high on energy, you are really passionate this month, and I see a lot of courage in you as well. And honestly Taurus, आप कुछ चीज़ को फिक्स करने की कोशिश करे जा रहे हो ever since this year started. आप किसी ना किसी चीज़ को तो डेफिनेटली फिक्स किए जा रहे हो. समवेयर यू आर कवरिंग अप योर वुंड्स. देर आर सम इमोशनल इश्यूज दैट यू हैव नॉट येट एड्रेस्ड, और आप एक शॉर्टकट सा लिए जा रहे हो टू फिक्स योर सेल्फ और टू मेक योर सेल्फ फील बेटर एंड नॉट थिंक अबाउट द रियल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ योर लाइफ. ओके, दैट्स That's quite intense, Taurus, actually. Because, see, the thing is, you are stronger than you think you are. You feel like this is a projection of strength where you are completely going on and on with your life, and you are having the time of your life as well. But the real strength, the real projection of strength is actually when you express, when you address those issues and actually work on them and heal yourself, heal your wounds, heal your inner child, because that is not only gonna free you from it, it is gonna free the people that you are surrounded with. It is gonna free your future generations as well, because that would be something that you would have healed within yourself. June can turn out to be really emotionally transformative for you, all Taurus babies. Make sure you use it pretty well. Take that time, take that rest, retreat. I would also suggest you to go on a solo travel also, because that will help you realize कि actual में issues क्या थे. You know, a good cry can also help you out, Taurus. You might not have weeped out in a long time, and it's not because कि मतलब आपकी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत बुरा हो तभी आप वो वीपिंग करो या कुछ, राइट? इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स लाइक some things are bottled up right here in your chest that you need to bring out, that you need to get out of your body, mind, soul as well. Let's see what more messages we are getting for Taurus babies. Any messages for your love life? Okay, actually we have quite a few. First is Queen of Wands. Okay, beautiful energy. And next up we have Two of Pentacles. Love life में तो बड़ा confusion है. There might be two people that you are interested in actually, and the Star as well. Okay, Taurus babies. So love life seems to be, देखो, the thing is कि आप जिस person के साथ अगर आप relationship में हैं and आप जिस person के साथ हो, you both are quite alike. आप दोनों के interests बहुत same हैं, आप दोनों की life को लेकर expectations बहुत same हैं. You both have reached a space where you both are growing equally actually. You stand together and you guys are quite equal. But because of this, there is less room for creativity. There is less room for situations that can actually help you grow, you know. So for the both of you, actually, this guidance is coming. If you're in a relationship, it is important that within this month, try to engage in activities, both of you, that are out of your comfort level. Because you share a very cosmic and beautiful connection for sure. There is a lot, but you need to drive out of your comfort level, because that is really going to help you both grow as well. Also, if you're feeling confused right now about your relationship, that where is it going, what about the future, if there are some issues that you feel, you know, because you both are quite alike, some of the things that might be there that do not align, how you wish to fix that, how you wish to address that. So don't take too much burden about it, because it will be just fine. This confusion that you have right now, it will go away in some time. It's just momentary only, okay? There is no problem in your relationship. And if you are single, a partner may be coming in your life very, very soon. Most probably by the end of June or either by July. I see that timeline as well. They will be entering your life. That will be a dream come true relationship as well. You both will be quite alike. And the energy seems really, really positive. Great passion in that person. So that looks pretty good. Let's check what are the messages from animal spirit guides for all the Taurus babies. What are the messages from animal spirit guides for beautiful souls of Taurus? What are the messages from animal spirits guide for the beautiful souls of Taurus? What are the messages for Taurus babies for the month of June? Okay, make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. Okay? See, this could be something related to what we were talking about in your relationship. This could be a guidance for your relationship as well. That you must take a stand where you feel that, you know, where you feel like things are not aligning with you. Do take a stand for yourself and do what feels right to you in spite of any other person's disapproval or judgment. कोई क्या सोचता है आपके बारे में, कोई क्या सोचेगा आपके बारे में, उससे आपको ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. You must express what you are feeling. Again, this could be related to that emotional issue we were addressing before as well. जो आपके रीडिंग में पहले messages आ रहे थे कि there might be some things that you have not addressed emotionally, and it could be because of the fear of being judged or disapproval from others. So make sure you work on that issue, you express yourself over there and you deal with it so that it can give you a good closure and you can move on from it finally. Okay, do not fear being judged by anybody. Okay, what matters is how you feel about it and nothing else. Next up, we have keep your sense of humor and don't take things too seriously. Okay, as I said, you have been hustling, and you need to lighten the tone now. Okay, keep your sense of humor. Don't take life too seriously. It is going to end anyway. Okay, hard message. Okay, keep your sense of humor and don't take things so seriously. Try to live more, try to engage in activities more that lighten your spirit, that enlighten your soul, and you'll be really good this month specifically. Okay, don't be too serious working this month. Have some time of your life as well. And lastly, we have you are too enmeshed in this situation, so step back and see the bigger picture before making any decision or taking action. Okay, this could be in correlation with your relationship where I said that you were really confused. So here is a clear message and guidance for you that you are too much enmeshed in this situation. So take a step back. Okay, you do not need to make any decision right now. Try to take a step back and look at the bigger picture here before making any decision or action. Okay, you do not need to make any decisions right now. Okay, कोई पहाड़ नहीं टूटा जा रहा है. अगर आप थोड़ा रुक भी जाओगे किसी चीज़ के लिए तो कोई पहाड़ नहीं टूटा जा रहा है अभी के अभी. You can wait up and then make any sort of decisions for you. June is not about anyway decision making for you, so you can definitely postpone it and lighten the mood for yourself and live a little bit this month. Okay guys, so my beautiful Taurus babies, this was your reading. I hope you really enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe this video and leave a comment down below if this reading resonated with you. Har Har Mahadev. See you in the next video.